This is CNET, and here's what you need to know for Black Friday. Black Friday is upon us, but we've got a few tips to make sure you make the most of it, or reassurance if you just don't feel like getting out of bed today. If you're overwhelmed with trying to juggle all of the Black Friday sales, don't be. CNET's resident cheapskate Rick Broida says every day is Black Friday. If you miss out on something that was advertised as a Black Friday sale, odds are it will come back around at some point. Don't sweat it. You can also use price tracking sites like Camel, and the Slick Deals price tracker to monitor how much that item you've got your eye on has fluctuated over the months. The best price may actually be offered at a different time other than Black Friday. And finally, our deal getter says you shouldn't discount refurbished items either. Apple items are a great example of products that are just as good as new, but sold for significantly cheaper. Regardless of what you buy refurbished, just make sure some kind of warranty is offered. You can stay up to date with the latest by downloading the CNET Tech Today app in the Apple App Store.